Are you looking for a striking addition to your garden? Meet Cornus moss redstone. This unique plant is more than just a pretty face. It offers beauty and utility. Let's explore why you should grow this stunning flowering shrub. First, Cornus moss redstone is visually appealing. Its yellow flowers bloom in early spring. These flowers contrast wonderfully against its dark green leaves. Next, it provides excellent wildlife benefits. Bees and butterflies are attracted to its blossoms. It supports biodiversity in your garden landscape. Another reason to grow this shrub is its versatility. It serves as a hedge, a specimen plant, or even a small tree. Cornus moss redstone can fit any garden design. Now, let's talk about care. This plant prefers full sun to partial shade. It thrives in well-drained soil. Water it regularly during dry spells. You'll find that this shrub is quite hardy. It tolerates drought and poor soil conditions. It's a low-maintenance choice for busy gardeners. But what about its fruits? Cornus moss redstone produces small, red fruits. These fruits are edible and can be used in jellies and desserts. Imagine not only enhancing your garden but also producing delicious treats. In summary, Cornus moss redstone is a beautiful, versatile, and low-maintenance plant. It attracts wildlife, provides fruits, and adds striking visuals to any landscape. Ready to add Cornus moss redstone to your garden? Visit your local nursery today. Don't wait, enhance your garden with this remarkable shrub now.